How to create a boomerang on Snapchat. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a boomerang on Snapchat. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and open up your Snapchat. And here you just want to take video. So what you want to do here is simply go ahead and tap on this loop icon at the bottom of your right side of your screen. So if you tap on it, it will play once. And if you want to loop it continuously, you can just tap on it. Or in some cases, you also have an option to bounce. So here I'm taking bounce, and here you can adjust the size of the video. And on this clip, you can just keep tapping on the part of the video that you want to boomerang. So here once you do that, only that. So here I'm taking it will loop and it will act as a boomerang. Now you can just tap on taking it and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial. I'll catch you on the next one.